Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a room tour video, so if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So when you first walk into my bedroom, it's actually the entrance to my entire apartment space. As if you watched my studio apartment tour video, you would know that I live in a studio apartment, so there is no actual doorway to my room, nor is there a wall. It's all just one big open space, and I sort of make a makeshift bedroom in the corner of this space. I'm not gonna do a full pan just for privacy reasons, as you can see out the window, but yeah, here's the bedroom itself. And here is the bed area. Underneath my bed, I just have my slipper collection. I'm a huge homebody and I live for coziness. So I collect slippers. I actually probably have more slippers than I do outdoor shoes. I just love being cozy. Most of these are from La Vie en Rose, Victoria's Secret, and UGG. This little faux fur rug here is from IKEA. It's really inexpensive. I think it's only like $14 or so. And here we have my bed. The bed frame is from Amazon. It's in a size double. The mattress is also from Amazon, also in a size double, of course. The sheets and the duvet cover are from IKEA, as well as the two pillowcases at the back. The two pillows at the front that are floral are also from IKEA, and then there's just the pink pillow there that's from QE Home, and then the decorative pillow in the front is once again from IKEA. And here we have my precious babies. Over here we just have my night table, which is also from, once again, IKEA by the HEMNES line. It's one of my favorite lines at IKEA. Down here I just have some of my favorite books by my bedside. In this drawer I just have some medication, and at the top here I have this Kate Spade tumbler, a nightlight, and the Sony alarm clock that I've had forever, to the point that it's considered retro or vintage now because it has an iPod Nano dock at the top and an FM radio built into it. But I've been using this thing for years and I absolutely love it to this day. The nightlight here, you just pull this string to turn it on. Creates a beautiful soft ambient light, and you just pull it one more time to turn it off. Spanning over this way is my beloved IKEA Vanity. It's by the HEMNES line, and I absolutely adore this thing. I have a full-length review on it on my channel as well if you want to check it out. However, I have changed up the decor just a little bit since then. This stool here is also from IKEA, however, it's not from the HEMNES line. I believe it's from a line called In Gulf. And then there's just another fur rug at the top there, also from IKEA, and a little white wicker basket that I got from Walmart. And now I'll just do a quick overview of what's on the top of and on the inside of my vanity here. So on this cubby here, I just have this gorgeous little SHEIN heart-shaped mirror, and I also have this Glossier box and this Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume that I actually have an in-depth review on my channel as well if you want to check that out. Inside of the cubby itself, I just keep all of my makeup brushes. Here I just have a little makeup catch-all. It's a clear acrylic case I got from Marshall's, and it has a lot of my aesthetically pleasing makeup that I plan to do reviews on very soon. I have this Dior sample, this Dior mascara that I'm going to do a review on very soon, so look forward to that. And just some more Dior products like Dior lip glow, the gloss, etc. This Glossier makeup and this birthdaybalm.com by Glossier. This Rare Beauty blush that I got recently in the VIB Sephora sale that I'll also most likely be doing a review on, and some more Dior goodies inside here. As you can see, I'm totally a Dior girl. Over here we just have this little dish, also from IKEA, and the glass jar also from IKEA. There is a tiny old candle in here. It's super old. It's from Yankee Candle. It's called Bunny Cake. It smells like birthday cake and Easter. And in this cubby, it's just a catch-all of tools, so face puffs, eyelash curlers, sharpeners, etc. And there's just another lace candle holder here that I sometimes put my beauty blender or my hairbrush in. My favorite part of this vanity is the secret drawer underneath. So you have here all of my makeup. The first section is eye products, the second one is face products, and the last one is lip products, all stored in one handy place. And just in case I haven't expressed it enough in this video, I absolutely adore this vanity. And now on to the last part of my room, which is just this standing mirror that I got from JYSK or JYSK or however you say it, and my beloved Victoria's Secret robe that I wear every night just hanging from here. Just gonna take it off for a second to show you the magic of this mirror. Ta-da! On the inside, it's a huge storage closet for all of my jewelry, accessories, and nail polish. How useful is that? I love it because it closes, so it stores away dust on all of my jewelry so none of it gets rusted or has sun damage or dust on it. I highly recommend this thing. And that brings us to the end of this short and sweet little Coquette room tour video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would truly mean the absolute world to me. I know my room is very tiny as it is just a makeshift room as an extension of my apartment, but I try to make the best of it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.